Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Up IELTS. Today we will learn some connectors that you can use in the IELTS writing test in order to get a band 7. But before that, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates from this channel. Well, there are many connectors or linkers that you can use in your IELTS Writing Task 1 and Task 2 as well. But you should have to know the correct usage of that connectors so that you can increase your band scores instead of decreasing the band scores. Use these connectors at the right place and at the right moment. Do not use them over and over again without knowing the correct meaning of the same. It can reduce your band scores, so make sure you use these connectors at the right place and at the right moment without any repetition. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with this video and know some connectors for the IELTS writing test. For listing your ideas, you can use firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, first, furthermore, next, to begin and to conclude. For giving the examples, you can use some connectors like as, for example, for instance, in other words, that is, as follows, in this case, or namely. For generalizing, you can use in general, generally, on the whole, as a rule, for the most part, in most cases, or usually. For reinforcement means for giving the more ideas, you can use also, furthermore, moreover, what is more, in addition, besides, above all, as well as, in the same way, not only but also. For showing this similarity, you can use equally, likewise, similarly, correspondingly, or in the same way. For transition to a new point, you can use now as far as dash is concerned, with regard or reference to, as for, it follows that, turning to. For giving the result or consequence, you can use so, therefore, as a result or consequence, accordingly, consequently, because of this or that, thus, hence, for this or that reason, so that, in that case, under these circumstances. For deduction, you can use then, in other words, in that case, otherwise, this implies that, if so or not. For stating the obvious that can be expected, you can use obviously, clearly, naturally, of course, as can be expected, surely, or after all. For highlighting something, you can use in particular, particularly, especially, or mainly. For reformulation, you can use in other words, rather, to put it more simply. For expressing an alternative point, you can use alternatively, rather, on the other hand, the alternative is, another possibility would be. For giving a contrast, you can use instead, conversely, on the contrary, in contrast, or in comparison. For concession, you can use even though, however, nevertheless, still, yet, though, or although. For summarizing, you can use in conclusion, to conclude, in brief, to summarize, overall, or therefore. So these are some connectors that you can use in your IELTS Writing Task 1 and Task 2. Make sure you use the same in the right way and get your desired band scores in the IELTS Writing Test. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. Watch out some more videos to crack the IELTS test.